Select Layout Settings. You can choose to align your image from the top center or the center by selecting one of these options. Select your platen size from the Platen drop-down menu. You can use these options to change the position, size, angle, and orientation of your image. Select Color Replacement. If you want to make a color transparent, select the Transparent option. Next, click the color that you want to replace in the preview area. Select Only Neighboring Area to replace the color only in the area you selected. Uncheck this option to replace all instances of this color in the image. You can adjust the color tolerance to set a more precise range of colors to be replaced. If you want to replace a color with white, select the White option and follow the previous steps. If you want to replace a color with a different color, select the Color option. Select your replacement color by adjusting these options. Then select the color you want to replace in the preview area. In this window, you will see your color replacement history. You see the colors before color replacement and after color replacement. If you want to undo a color replacement, select the row from the list and click this icon.